Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If your Xfinity cable box won't power on, shows no response, or simply refuses to work as expected, it can leave you without access to your favorite channels. This type of problem can occur because of power interruptions, loose connections, equipment startup issues, or temporary communication problems between the Xfinity cable box and the service network. Fortunately, many of these situations can be resolved with a few quick checks before you consider replacing any equipment. In this video, I'll walk you through several simple troubleshooting steps that may help bring your Xfinity cable box back to normal operation. Try these. Step 1. Check for power indicators on the Xfinity cable box. Step 2. Verify the power connection to the Xfinity cable box. Step 3. Inspect the TV connection from the Xfinity cable box. Step 4. Secure all cables attached to the Xfinity cable box. Step 5. Restart the Xfinity cable box completely. Step 6. Test channels on the Xfinity cable box again.